Did you know that if you chop up cabbage, you break up the cell walls and release an enzyme called myrosinase? Then, if you let it sit for about 40 minutes, that myrosinase can interact with other compounds and create sulforaphane, which is that compound that is known for its anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory benefits. But here's the thing, myrosinase is not very heat stable, which means that if you cook it, the enzyme will break down and you won't get sulforaphane. Same goes for other cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. The same goes with allium vegetables like leeks, onions, and garlic. But with these ones, you only have to wait for about 10 minutes for the chemical reaction to complete, sulforaphane to be produced, and sulforaphane is heat stable. So you don't risk losing those anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer benefits. But if you just can't wait, you can saute your leeks in some oil, add some salt and some pepper, cook them until they're a little soft, then add in your chopped cabbage and seasonings of your choice. I'm using the Trader Joe's onion salt, Green Goddess seasoning, and a little smoked paprika. Let that cook down until the cabbage is tender. Then make 2 little wells in the center. Add a touch more oil into those wells. Crack a couple of eggs in there. Add a touch of water and cover so that you let the eggs baste. Then plate that up and sprinkle some mustard powder onto your cabbage. The myrosinase in the mustard seed can provide that enzyme needed to create sulforaphane even after the cabbage has been cooked. If you top your eggs with a little more salt and some pepper, you have then created an incredible breakfast that's high in protein and micronutrients, is anti-inflammatory, anti-cancerous, and is really supportive of your follicular and ovulatory phases, because cruciferous vegetables like cabbage contain compounds that help to metabolize excess estrogen. Not to mention, it's absolutely delicious. Seriously think cabbage is the most underrated vegetable.